Welcome back. Special investigation team interrogated former and present mining officers in illegal mining case for nearly 5 hours. Former Director of Mining J.B. Bhingi and mining officer Shyam Sawant were interrogated by SIT on Tuesday. SIT interrogated Bhingi for nearly 4 hours. He is again called on Wednesday. SIT will interrogate Under Secretary of Law Department at Secretariat in Porvorim on Wednesday.
Special investigation team has begun probe of illegal mining case in state. Team has summoned 6 people including former Chief Minister Digambar Kamath. On Tuesday, former Director of Mines Department J.B. Bhingi appeared before the SIT. He was grilled for nearly 4 hours.
General ne political no comments.
Bhingi was questioned about mining files and documents. He is again called on Wednesday. SIT also interrogated Technical Assistant from Mines Department Shyam Sawant. Sources informed that Shyam has been told to appear before the team whenever required. SIT will interrogate Under Secretary of Law Department Smita Chandwani at Secretariat in Porvorim. SIT will scrutinize all files and documents related to illegal mining case. DYSP Neelu Rao Desai with 3 police inspectors investigating the illegal mining case. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
The High Court has stayed order of Vasco JMFC Court to provide copy of fingerprints of all Goans to the CBI in connection with Vasco minor schoolgirl rape case. The JMFC Court has directed Union Government to provide copy of fingerprints gathered during issuing of Aadhaar cards. After hearing a petition filed by the Ministry of Planning Commission, the High Court has issued notice to the CBI. Even after an year, Vasco minor schoolgirl rape case is unsolved. CBI had stated before the JMFC Court that they are having some fingerprints from the scene of crime, and if allowed to match it with fingerprints of all Goans, there is a chance to crack the case. The JMFC Court had directed Union Government to provide copy of fingerprints gathered during issuing Aadhaar card. Ministry of Planning Commission in its petition filed before the High Court has contended that if the data of fingerprints of about 11 lakhs Goans are given to the CBI, its misuse cannot be ruled out. Planning Commission also contended that fingerprints gathered under Aadhaar card scheme are also protected under right to privacy. Accepting Planning Commission's contentions, High Court in its interim order stayed order of Vasco JMFC to provide copy of fingerprints to the CBI. But the High Court observed that if the government has the data, why shouldn't it be used to solve cases of serious nature? The court also observed that it expects the investigating agency to solve the cases, then why not the resources be made available to it? The court further said use of forensic evidences not only helps to solve crucial cases, but it also reduces the risk of prosecuting innocent people. The High Court observed that this issue is not only about right to privacy, but it also pertains to right to information. The High Court has issued notice to the CBI and has directed petitioner to make state government also a party in the case. Next hearing has been fixed on 18th February. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Workers associated with Goa Recruitment and Employment Society want the society upgraded into a corporation. The workers also demand that government should regularize their jobs. Members of Grace met CM at Secretariat on Tuesday. Workers under this society have demanded a status of being a government employee. CM has assured the workers to resolve their issue by 13th February.
45 आहा पळय ते बिजी काम तेका काडचो ना आनी आतां कोण न्यू पळय जातलो 45 आहा तेका आपूण घेवचो ना आनी थोडे भुरगे पळय बारीक आहा पूण आपूण तेका काडचो ना पूण दुसरे घालतलो आनी कॉर्पोरेशन आमकां सगळी फॅसिलिटी मेळटली ते गव्हर्मेंट ऑटोमॅटीक तितके आनी त्या सारकें आमकां दोग जाणां कडेन आमकां आपयला न्ही म्हणजे सगळ्यांक आपयला आमकां म्हणटरी आमी दोग जाण भितर वचोन तेजे आमी उलयतले आनी फुडले आमी तो आमकां कितें सांग डिमांड आमचो फकत आमकां कॉर्पोरेशनाक घालपाक जाय आनी आमकां जशें गव्हर्मेंटा फॅसिलिटी मेळपाक तशें आमकां मेळपाक जाय
कायम करपाक जशें
आमकां जॉब न्हू
आमची जशी गव्हर्मेंटात जशी फॅसिलिटी आसा जशी सॅलरी आसा तशीच आमकां मेळपाक जाय आनी आमकां तेमच्या अंडर घेवपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंटा अंडर घेवपाक जाय इतलें आमचें
बीजेपी मागीर काँग्रेस येयली काँग्रेसीन आमकां काडून उडयले हां आतां परतून बीजेपी येयला म्हळ्यार आमकां परतून तर हे
काँग्रेस येयली
आमकां काडून उडयतले परतून आमी वाटेर
आमची कोणूच आमकां कोणूच पळयच्याच ना आमकां कोण पळयच्याच ना मागीर फुडें
फिक्स आसपाक जाय आमकां अशें काडून उडोवपाक जायना.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.